Hey Bestie, I'm back again. How well are you utilizing Gmail to prefer all the solutions that you need when sending messages and mails to anybody? Now in this video, I'm going to use some tips and tricks that I discovered on Gmail that you might not even know about. Now, if Gmail is something that you use on a regular and you're interested in learning what these tips and tricks are, ensure you have liked, subscribed, and you're sharing this video. Without further ado, guys, let's go.
When the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him.
So I just discovered one of the most insane things that I had no idea existed on Gmail. Did you know? Now, did you know is something that I hate to hear in ads. Now, you know when some ads start and you're like, did you know? No, I did not know. But you know what? I don't even care. I hate it when I start with, did you know? Did I ask you? Did I ask you? Anyways, now Gmail has a great feature that I'm super excited about. You can actually schedule when a mail is sent. Exactly, guys. You can schedule when a mail is sent. I, for example, found this particular feature really relieving because sometimes you just want to be chilling, doing something other than sending a mail at a particular time, or just sending it and saving it so that you can send it at a particular time. Now you can send mails and you can do other things. You know, we have a lot of things planned now, especially me, you know, as a content creator, as a copywriter, as a marketing professional. There's so many things that I have on my bucket list, but I'm still open for work. If you want me to help you with anything concerning digital marketing or the rest, send me a mail and I'll be there for you. I'll be there. I'll be there. Anyways, so Gmail, you can write a mail and send it, but it is scheduled to when you want to deliver. And how I like to plan my meals is I don't like to make it like 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. or 4 p.m. I like to make it as natural as it can be. So for instance, if I want to send a morning mail, I can send it by 8:25 or 8:26 or 8:15 or 9:21. You know, something very random that is almost as if, oh, it was just sent. But guess what? I planned that meal and I scheduled it. And maybe while we're getting that meal, I might be taking a sip of, you know, pina colada in Ibiza, or I'm booking or something else. But guess what? Meals are going left, right, and center. And it just makes you more efficient, makes you, you know, more in tune with what you need to do, because it allows you take care of meals that you can plan throughout the day so you can focus on other things. Now in the following tips, I'm going to be showing you guys, when you've composed your mail and you're ready to press send, all you need to do is just go to that arrow button beside send, click it, and it's going to take you to schedule send. When you hit the schedule send button, it's going to take you here. When you land here, all you need to do is select the perfect date, time, moment you want your particular mail to get to your receiver, and when you're done, voila, you can be productive and be the best version of yourself for the whole day, even the whole week of the month. All right, now if all of these tips that I've mentioned in this video has helped you get the most out of Gmail, or rather you have other things that are working on Gmail and I did not mention in this video, please be a sweetheart and be a bestie and drop them down below, because I and others would definitely love to hear what all of that is about. So that come your way next week is Omah. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you guys for coming by. Subscribe, share, and join the Bestie family. My name is Omah and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye.